Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video where I'll be showing you how to resolve this error of notebook validation failed. Non-unique cell IDs detected. This is a constant warning which keeps on popping up while you are working with the Jupyter Notebook, and specifically when you copy some cells from one notebook to another. So I'll be quickly showing you how to resolve this. So you can see that in my current working directory I've created one Jupyter Notebook which will have the logic to resolve this particular warning. A warning is present in sample code 1 file, also sample code 2 file also. In one cell I have written this code, and once you run this particular code your error will get resolved. So first of all, you can see the initial 3 lines are about importing the libraries. Import NB format as NBF, then import UUID is to generate some random number, okay, and then from glob to import glob, okay. Then here NB name is the name of the notebook that you want to correct, or you can write a keyword also. So for me, I want to correct two notebooks and both of them had a prefix of sample code. So I've written a keyword which would be searched all the notebooks with a suffix of IPNB and a prefix of sample code. All of them would be corrected. Okay, so NB name is the keyword that I've written sample code. Then I'm extracting the list of notebooks. I'm converting into a list. I have written a lambda function, and it is recursively finding the list of available files in the current working directory and prepare a list of files which has sample code in it and has a suffix of IPNB. Okay, once you have generated, then I have created a function to generate some random number using UUID, a hexadecimal ID, and ID of length 8. Okay, then I'm iterating over the notebook one below the other. Okay, one by one all the notebooks should be read. So first of all it will read sample code 1.ipnb, then in the next iteration it will run sample code 2.ipnb. okay, so when in the first loop it will load that particular notebook in the ntbk variable. Then it is, first of all, it is getting the current cell IDs. Initially I'm initializing it with the empty list. Then it will go cell by cell in the current notebook and extract the cell IDs for all the cells in that particular Jupyter notebook. Then if these are duplicate, then it will reset. So if the length of cell ID is not equal to the length of cell IDs, and using set I'm deduplicating it, if this is the condition, then for that cell I'm getting a unique ID, unique random ID, and then appending that, and then finally updating the notebook. Once you run this particular code, you will see that your notebook has been corrected. This way you are updating your particular notebook without losing any data and without losing your notebook. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Also, if you face some issues, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.